Hey, we're gonna do another leak code assessment. So yeah, just choose a random assessment and do it. It's two questions, but I don't think it's gonna be bad. Okay, given this ordered array of distinct integers and the target value, return the index. Right. Okay, so this is just binary search. So if there isn't a target, we can just return like just like this. So it returns two here. I mean, yeah, I think should be fine. No. Here, expected one. Oh, where it would be, okay. In that case, wait, you just return the left. Expected at one. That work here. Let's just try this. Cool, next question. There are entities, some of them are connected while some of them are not connected. If city A is connected directly with city B, and city B is connected directly with city C, then city A is connected indirectly with city C. Is a group of directly or indirectly connected cities and no other cities outside of the group. Given by an n matrix is connected. Okay. What's up? Hershey's ready? Yeah, I think I remember you. Yeah, I do remember you. How are you doing, mate? Are you doing good? How was your weekends? Oh yeah, it's been pretty good. Like, I solved two leak codes. This is my second one. And then probably after I finish this problem, I'm gonna end the stream, but it's been pretty good, like going pretty chill. Just solving my leak code, learning. Tomorrow I gotta study like some DP optimizations. I have the resources ready. I gotta like practice questions related to this topic and then keep learning stuff. Just met with some friends, are able to do medium ones. Yes, I was able to do two medium questions. It was on grid. I posted a video. It's my latest video. But other than that, I think this one is medium. Like medium. But yeah, like I got asked a hard question. I can't remember if it was this morning or yesterday. I think it was this morning. It was a hard problem. For medium ones to be easy. Damn. In like 2 or 3 days. That's actually a really good improvement, bro. So once you start like to realize medium problems are starting to get easy, I would recommend like moving on to a different topic. I solved like 20 problems or something. Yeah, are you going by topics or just like the neat code roadmap or just like solving random meeting questions? I think you're going by topics, right? If you're going by topics, once you feel comfortable doing like the current topic you're in and solving like medium questions, I recommend you move on to the next topic because you definitely don't want to lose time solving the same type of questions, right? But if you don't feel comfortable and think you should need 1 or 2 days, it's totally fine. But so I'm doing SQL right now, finishing those. Yeah, data engineering. So yeah, it's just totally fine. Like one problem, leak problem a day is enough. I think you should focus on actually like doing the things that are important or related to your job, right? Garrett and Code, how's it going? Yeah, I'm pretty chill. Day has been going pretty smooth. This is my third leak code assessment. Did one in the morning, did one in the like 1 hour ago, and then after this, probably gonna end the stream. What's up, bro? Yeah. Um, Honestly, the past few days I haven't been able to stream. Not past few, like yesterday and I think the day before that. It's just like school, sometimes schoolwork and sometimes, I just like to take a day off or something like that. But other than that, I'm like thinking of continuing streaming, trying to stream every day after I come from school. Yeah, you have the internships and stuff, right? Have you been able to solve LeetCode questions? Been a busy week. What's up, Tinted? But yeah, ready. It's like real progress. going on a fast pace and just keep solving, you know? Yeah, I solved the 41. Now you're trying to optimize it. Let me see, what problem is it? First missing positive. Ooh, a hard problem. Okay, okay. First missing positive, and then what does it say? Given in this order, okay. The smallest positive integer that is not present in nums. And then, oh, has to run an O of n time, right? This is hashing, no? Yeah, it could be. So the simplest way to solve is hashing. I think you solved it with hashing, right? Gearing code. You're new to competitor programming. Hashing, yeah, yeah. And then the hard part is actually making it O of one times in terms of space complexity. Yeah. This is a trick question. I think this is number theory. If the numbers are from 1 to n. This is a trick question. Hold on, let me try to finish this problem first and then see if I can. I'm not sure if I can solve this, but I'll try to. Like, yeah, I thought of that, but I don't think it'll work. Yeah, negative numbers, so it can ruin up. Plus, you never know what the value. You're right. It's not a 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be some values can be skipped, some values can be not in order, so it's really difficult to know. Guys should definitely try to optimize it. It's like putting each number in the ith position. I don't think so because look, if you try to put 12 in position 12, but the array is 4 or 5, I don't think that's gonna work. Then a for loop. Mm, yeah, you can definitely try it though. There's no, you can just take a shot at it. So for this problem, I feel like this is number of islands. Or is it actually this joint set union? I feel like it is. Yeah, this is definitely disjoint site union. I want to break into FAANG too. What languages should I learn? Not from the US, but I do have great C++ and data structures and do a lot of problems. So, I mean, if you're asking for advice, Trost, yeah, if you already did a lot of problems, I think you should know that for interviews, Python is kind of the best language because there could be like less bugs and it's easy to spot, and then a lot of the solutions in LeetCode and that stuff are written in Python. But if you already know C++, I feel like you should just go with it and do a lot of problems. Do you also do LeetCode? Yeah, if you know C++ and data structures and stuff, I think you're actually set, bro. All you need to do is build projects at this point. Okay, this is. mm, I guess this is like similar to number of islands. Could be solved similar to that, or with disjoint set union. So for each node, they're like connected. You set their parents, or just unite them. You have like for actual work that I will be doing. What languages should I learn? I also don't do leak code. It's like a platform at your university where professors post hard problems for us. Oh, cool, cool. So if you don't do leak code, I would definitely recommend doing because majority of the problems or and the interview questions are similar to leak code. I'm not sure what problems your professor gives to you. And then for the actual work, I think I'm not that like I think you're kind of like asking from the wrong person. You can ask from the people who's watching my stream because they're actually like working and doing internships. But for me, what I would recommend is just if you're going with full stack development and stuff, you should definitely learn JavaScript and JavaScript, Tailwind CSS for the front end. Or I mean like Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and for the backend, I personally use Node.js, but I think doing it in Java really sets you high from other competitors, or at least that's what I heard. So I would definitely like recommend you learn Java for the backend, like Spring Boot. Is that what you call it? Yeah. Garrett and Code knows it, right? Yeah. So true, so true. And then I don't know why, but it also impresses the recruiters, right? That's a valid point. True, true. So yeah, we can do this in simple defense. The only time we should use this joint site union is if our problem like requires us to, if it's like similar to Lico, and you can actually join a Discord server. There's not much in there, but you can ask like the people in there and stuff. You can like contact with Garrett and Code. Yeah, I don't know why, but this is like a lot of people who are watching my stream is pretty helpful in some way. This is my this is our Discord server. In case you want to join. If not, it's okay. So wait, let me actually search problems are best to use. See connected components, cyclic detection, network. Cool. Charles, what university do you go to? So let's do. Just do Boolean. Or just int. It really doesn't matter. We also make sure we have to do the sign. Jordan University of Technology and Science. Like, really? Jordan country. Oops. Oh, cool. Oh, it's next to Saudi Arabia. Nothing's possible, bro. Nothing's possible. I've seen a lot of people get internship offers from countries, from different countries, even though they're located in like the other side of the world. I've seen different people like land internships or even a high paying job offer from companies like Facebook, Google, and stuff. I think the best strategy is to just not apply, but reach out to them. But yeah, I watch like people who document their journey and post content related to that, and then it's nothing's possible, mate. At the end of the day, it's all about your skills. Doesn't matter what school you go to. It's what you acquire from going to what that school, right? Because we need to do summer semesters, really? Oh, similar to summer school? Yeah, bro, it sucks. Wait, so that actually makes it difficult. How, like, how do they expect you guys to gain experience then? Cool, cool. Yeah, give it a shot. Okay, so we'll go through all the neighbors. If you have zero experience, you're not getting a job basically unless you have an uncle. It is, it is. Yo, this comment is today's pin, bro. Some real facts. His YouTube channel is. He also makes like YouTube channels about Spring Boot, and now you can use it to create like REST APIs and stuff, right? It's not neighbors. So if it's connected, and how long has everyone been doing this for? Everyone been doing this for. I've been doing Leco for 2 years. I've been doing like web development. Not really good at it, but it's been like 1 year since I actually like started learning. So and then if the neighbor is not already, because the reason we check this is because we can have cycles. We don't want that. Yeah, and then we can just DFS is connected at node and I. It's basically similar to the number of island problem. So now or actually, yeah, let's just make our lives easier. It's just one. What's up, Hamza? Okay, let's see if this works. Leako for 2 weeks. How many problems do you solve? Like, what's the current stats? Getting code? Honestly thinking of like going all in AI agents for a while. Graduate. Honestly, like AI. Mm, are you mid top? So 15 problems is 2 weeks. So one problem every day. It's pretty consistent. But that's what I'm talking about. Discipline. What type of a coder are you? Mid? I would say I'm mid. Yeah, mid. In terms of lead code, like slightly above average. But in terms of like general developing and stuff, I would say mid. Is- So let's see, why is this giving us error? Least complex C++. Stack Overflow. Hmm. Line 20, this one. Yeah, bro, my brain is fried. Uh, oh, because I'm not returning anything, right? Or actually, it should be fine because it's a void function. is connected outside, side plus. That's the case, then connected. Wait, what am I doing? It's n by n, so each like index should just point to whatever node it's connected to. Okay. Finish session. I think I got like 5.5. If I get below 5, this is messed up. It's not pretty accurate. I mean, if in real interview, if I mess up once, pretty sure that. Okay, yeah, 5.3. Okay. One medium and one easy. I'm surprised I never solved these problems. It's like, I don't know. I guess the elite coded algorithm for choosing problems for me in this assessment is just. Oh no, this is not the premium feature. It's just if you go to assessment, yeah, anyone can do this. The premium is like they have access to all these questions. This is a long assessment. I don't know about this one though. This is the hardest because the success rate is pretty low. This has three questions and it's a phone interview and then this is an online assessment. Yeah.